The forest-loving native to coffee plantations and other neotropical places of Central and South America, the squirrel cuckoo has long tail plumage and a violet and rose coloring. Dining on insects from caterpillars to ants, the squirrel cuckoo spends its days singing a melodious tune. Beautiful rose and violet hues of the squirrel cuckoo balance with the leafy greens in this cross-stitch pattern. The completed cross-stitch is shown here. This is the completed cross-stitch of the squirrel cuckoo bird. This is what you will end up making when you get the pattern. And this is the squirrel cuckoo bird cross-stitch kit available at raz-lane-crafts.com. This is what you get in the squirrel cuckoo bird cross-stitch kit. The pattern itself. You also get 20 DMC floss that you need for the pattern. They're gorgeous. Bull skeins. You also get a 12-pack of Scarlet Today needles, a 2-pack of 4cm metal rings to hold your floss, and an Allery needlework scissors.